Hello guys, good morning to everyone, and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Okay, as we have started the Python basics, the course, and we started the topic Python strings. Okay, now there is a subtopic of Python string is escape characters. Today we will going to see the escape character. Okay, so let's start the escape character. Give the name escape character. Escape character. Okay, and let's run it. Okay guys, before that, if you don't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe it so that you can get a latest update of videos. Okay, and also like and share, or the student also get the benefit of this. Okay, so let's start now. What is escape characters? If you want uh, to give any word in a string, that means string is written in double quotes. Okay, and if you want to put any word in that string in again double quotes, then how to write it in? Okay, suppose this is a message. If we write message equal to uh, we called Python or programmers. Okay, I want this programmer in a string. Okay, we called programmers. Okay, then this complete string we call programmers since we bought. Since we bought. Okay, and again complete this string. Now I want this programmer in this way, that means in a string. Okay, and let's I print the message. Print message. So I will get an error. Okay, मुझे error मिलेगा. Now to handle this error, we use the escape characters. Okay, there is a backslash. So how we can use? We have to give the backslash before this word. So how it is? So I copy the same. Okay, and paste it here. Now I will give the backslash here and again a backslash here. Okay, uh, not this one, backslash and then complete string. Okay, and let's run it. So I will get these programmers in double quotes. We call programmers since we born. In this way, you can use the escape characters. Okay. Now another escape characters. There is a single quote. How to write the single quote? Okay. So if we write a message equal to it's all right. Okay. It's it's now it's uh apostrophe s na. So for that apostrophe s, you have to give backslash and this, then yes, apostrophe, yes, it's all right. Okay, now this is the message and we have to print the message, or you can simply give the message. So you will get output it's all right. Okay, so this is the thing. Now backslash, this is a single quote. This escape character is known as single quote escape character. Okay, now another one is backslash. Okay, backslash is we have to give one a backslash in a message. Okay, so how to give the backslash in message? So message equal to, suppose this is the string, is will insert one backslash. Okay, so backslash, give the double backslash, and in bracket I will write backslash. Okay, and lastly give the message, that means print message. So let's run it. So this will insert one backslash. Okay, 1 second. Why it's not coming? Double backslash. If you give this, then again double backslash. If you do the one backslash and run it, double backslash, inverted commas. Okay, so it will give the backslash. That means in output you will get a backslash. This one, this backslash. Okay. Now there is another escape character, that is new line. So this is for backslash. Backslash. Another one is new line. Okay. So how to give the new line? Suppose I will write this message as Python and then new line. For the new line, we have to give \n. Okay, and then programming. Okay, programming. I'm going to write this msh. Okay, so \n. I have to give this in this quotation. Just a second. What is happening here? Check this \n and then use the quotation. Lastly, this programming. Yes, yeah, but we have to give the new line. Okay, we have to give the new line for this one. Okay, so guys, we have to give print here. Okay, then it will be insert one backslash. See this one, this will insert one backslash. Okay, this is a backslash, one backslash. Now here again you have to give the print statement is ahead of this message. So it will give the new line, that Python, after Python word you will get a new line, and in the next line the word programming is written. So Python program. So this is a new line character. Okay, new line character. Okay, now next character is tab character. Okay, so tab character is generally used for space. Okay, so how you can write tab character? So message equal to, suppose we write good morning. Okay, so good, then backslash t for tab. Okay, and then morning. Okay, yes, and then lastly print message, and let's run it. This notebook is getting print. So after good, you will get a space. Okay. For space, this tab character is used. Space between two words. If you want to give the space between these two words, you can use \t, and it is known as tab character. Okay. Tab character with the tab character. Next one is backspace character. Okay. Backspace means it will remove the space between the words. Okay. How it will remove? Let's see. Will message equal to, again we write this as happy, then backslash, okay, give the space, then backslash b for backspace, okay, and then birthday. And lastly, print this message. Let's run it. So it will remove this space. Okay, here after happy there is one space. If you give the two spaces, then what will happen? It will remove the one space. Okay, so this is the backspace character. So this is the backspace character. Now, so these are the characters. Escape characters is known as escape characters. Now the last topic of string is, guys, this is the string methods. Okay, so string methods. So let's convert it to markdown and give the heading string methods. Okay, let's run it. So there are so many methods in the string, so we can print these methods by using this statement. Generally string is denoted by str, so print dir of string means str. Okay, and let's run it. So these many methods are here for string. Okay, from this capitalize to z fill. Okay, so one by one we will see all these things. So first one is capitalize. Suppose we will take the string, suppose first yes is equal to the string python. Okay, python. Okay, and let's run it first. So this is our string. Now here you have to note that all string methods return new values. They do not change the original string. ओके, दैट मीन्स ओरिजिनल स्ट्रिंग में जो कंटेंट है वो चेंज नहीं होगा. टेम्पररीली वो क्या करेगा, सिर्फ न्यू वैल्यूज देगा, है ना. जैसे जैसा ऑपरेशन करोगे वैसा न्यू वैल्यू देगा, लेकिन जो स्ट्रिंग एस डिफाइन है आपकी वो वैसी की वैसी ही रहेगी. सो लेट्स सी इट. सो फर्स्ट वन इज कैपिटलाइज. ओके, सो यू हैव टू गिव एस डॉट कैपिटलाइज and give the parenthesis, and let's run it. So it will capitalize the string. Yes, capitalize means first character is get capital, so this is the capitalize. Okay, now next one is case fold. So give the yes dot case fold. Okay, yes dot case fold and run it. Case fold means, guys, it converts the string into lowercase. Okay, so if you want to, this is written the version of the string suitable for the caseless comparisons. Okay, that means it will return a string into lowercase. Okay, so already it is in lowercase, so it will return lowercase. Next one is center. So give the yes dot center. Okay, and it will give you the centered string. Okay, centered string. Centered expected at least one argument. Okay, Suppose we give this t and run it, or 2 run it. Okay, so what it will be, right? It will give the centered string. Okay, return a centered string of the length width. Okay, you have to give the width and fill character. If you want to describe it, you can describe it also. So padding is done using the specified fill character. Okay, default is space. Okay, if you don't give, then it will defaultly space. That means fill character. Fill character is defaultly space, and this two is the width. Okay, so this is the string center. Next method. Next method is count. So count, what is count? Count returns the number of times a specified value occurs in the string. Number of times the specified value occurs in the string. So yes, dot count. Suppose we write a specified value t and run it. So how many times that this t is occur in this string? Yes, string yes में t कितनी बार आया? एक ही टाइम आया, so it will give 1. So this is the count. If you want this, then just write this one, copy it here. Okay, so you can understand this. Okay, yes. Now next function is encode. Okay, encode return encoded version of the string. It will return the encoded version. So n yes dot encode, and let's run it. So that is d python. That is encoded version. So encode the string using the codec register for the encoding. So encoding is UTF-8 and errors are strict. If you want, you can see here in detail of the encode. Okay. So for encode function, you have to remember it is written the encoded version of the string. Next one is ends with. Okay. Next one is ends with. So let's write yes dot ends with and give the specified character. Suppose we give n in the string format and let's run it. It will give true. Why true? Because this string ends with this character n. N character से end हो रही ना, इसलिए true दिया. Okay, so this is the ends with function. So next one is expand tabs. Expand tabs means it sets the tab size of the string. Okay, so s dot expand tabs. Okay, and with the parentheses, let's run it. So it will write the python only. Okay, so return a copy where all tab characters are expanded using spaces. Okay, if the tab size is not given, the tab size of 8 characters is assumed. So this is the expand tab. Next function is find. Okay, as many functions as covered, we will take s dot find, and if you give suppose index, then what will happen? It will give error. So you have to give the character. Suppose give o. Okay, and let's run it. So it will give the position of this character. So in what position this character O is present? So this is the index na position. Index denote the position of the character. This is P's index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for 4 index, O is there. Next, find is done. Okay. Then next function is form index. If you take the index function, okay, s dot index, okay, and let's see it, what will happen. How to give this, return the lowest index in s where the substring is found. Okay, s dot index. So if we run it, it will give error. It will take at least one argument. So if you give the one, then what will happen? So you have to give the string t, and let's run it. So it will also give the position of the this one. Okay, so index. So 0, 1, 2. So 2 is the position of t. Again, what it will be, right? If you want to substring, okay, so you have to give the substring. So suppose this is a t or th, then we start and end. Okay, start and end should be in integer format. You have to give this format. If you give this format, then it will also give the output. Next function is alum. Is alphanumeric. Okay, so yes dot is al and m and parenthesis. Okay, is al num and u is there. Run it. So true. So the string Python is alphanumeric. Then is alpha. Again, the string is alpha or not, or alphabetic or not. So s dot is alpha, parentheses, run it. Yes, it is character. So it will give the true. Next one is ASCII. Okay, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. S dot is ASCII. It's true only. Okay. Then next one is a decimal. That means the string s is a decimal or not. Okay, is decimal, and let's run it. So false. It is not a decimal. No? These are the characters. This is false. Then next one is digit. Okay, is identifier, is lower. Okay, if you give the is lower, you have to write these string methods in the same way. Is lower. You have to practice this on Google Colab and this Jupyter notebook. So is lower, yes. So whole string is in lower format. So it is lower. So output is true. Then is numeric. It is not a numeric. Okay. So it will give the false also. If you want to check is numeric, you can check it. Run false. Okay. Then next one is printable. Is space. Okay, is space will write. Is there any space between this string? Okay. Then is title. Okay, is title means is string is a title or not. Okay, yes dot is title. Either it is title or not. So it is false. Is not a title. Title means उसका क्या होता है, फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर जो होता है वो कैपिटल होता है. So it's not a title. So it will give the false. Then is upper. Is upper means either the string is upper or not, uppercase or not. So yes dot is upper. Okay, and parentheses, run it. So it will give the false because string s is in lowercase. Then join. Okay, so join will be join the elements of the iterable to the end of the string. That means if you want to join any string to this string, so use the join. So yes dot join. Okay, what you have to join, write in string. So programming how to join, and let's run it. So it will join after the p program, p python. Okay, then r python, then o python. Okay, so these words are added. Suppose I will use only p, so what will happen? So it will write only p. Okay, suppose I will use y o u. Okay, then it will write after y python. Okay, then after o python, and after u python. Okay, so y python, then o python, and lastly this u. So this is the join. Next one is lower. Okay, next one is lower. So let's take it. S dot lower. S dot lower, it means it will convert the string into lower. So already it is a lower, so it will be lower itself. Okay, then make trans means return the translation table to the used in translation. So let's see it. Make trans. Yes dot make trans, and give the parentheses, run it, at least one argument. Okay, let's see what it in. Return the translation table using the what is translate. You just give one and run it. Oh, it should be dictionary. So until you don't learn the dictionary, okay, so I will use only the dictionary format. Okay, and run it. So it will give the dictionary that you have written. So while the dictionary topic is there, this make trans will be there. Okay, now next one is r just. Okay, where is r just? This is the r just. R just means it will return the right justified version of the string. Okay, right justified version of string. S dot r just, and parentheses, run it. You have to give the one argument. So what is that one argument? You have to give the width. Suppose I will give the 3, so it will write python. Okay, so write justified version of the string. Again, there are so many functions: remove prefix, remove suffix. Okay, replace. If you take the replace, okay, yes dot replace, and then give the character, any character. Suppose t. Okay, this is a t, and you have to replace this t by I. Okay, t by I. So in this Python, this t is replaced by I. Okay, so this is the replace method. Then another one is the split method. Okay, so let's write it. Please split method. S dot split. You have to give the separated one. Okay, so suppose I will give the one, run it, only split, run it. Then it will be splitted into list. Okay, that is Python. Whole Python is written in a this split. Suppose we take a Python programming, then it will be Python comma program. It will be write in a listed format. Then starts with, okay, like ends with. This is the starts with, okay. Suppose we take yes dot start with, our string starts with P. So let's write P. So it will give the true, okay, because it is starts with P. Okay. Then s dot title, okay, s dot translate, s dot upper, all these things are there. Okay. So these are the string method, guys. Hope all of you understood the string methods and string topic. Okay, I will provide the notes and this ipynb file to the video also. Description box, check your description box and let's learn the Python. Okay, and those guys do not subscribe to my channel, so please subscribe it. एक बटन दबाने को कुछ लगता नहीं. Okay, thank you for watching the video.